What's up everybody? In this video I'm going to show you how to install Windows 10 on Mac OS X on top of your running operation system without dual boot. So for this you'll need VirtualBox and you'll need Windows 10. First go to this website and I will put link in the description below for both of them and download OS X hosts. And then we need to download Windows 10. Right here we need to select Windows 10. I'm going to choose May 2019 update, confirm, and then choose the language and confirm one more time. Okay, right here I'm going to download 64-bit operation system. While we're waiting for Windows 10 to download, we can install VirtualBox. Either we can click on this download tool and install it from here, or we can go to downloads and double click on VirtualBox here. Now right here I'm gonna double click on VirtualBox. In this pop-up box, click continue and continue one more time. I'm gonna leave the default settings and I'm gonna click install. You'll have to put your password here. I don't have it, so I'm just gonna click install software. If you get this pop-up message, you'll need to open security preferences. And right here, you'll need to click allow. I'm going to close this pop-up box and I'm going to try to restart. Right here, click keep, and I'm going to try to restart the installation. Okay, once installation is done, click close and we can move this file to trash now. Close this pop-up box. Now we can go to applications and double click on VirtualBox. And right here, we'll need to click on new. Name, I'm just gonna name it Windows 10. Machine folder, I'm gonna leave it as default. Type default and version Windows 10 64-bit, and then I'm gonna click continue. I'm going to allocate 4 gigs of RAM for it, since I have 8 on my system. And then click continue. In this pop-up box, I'm gonna leave create virtual disk now, and I'm gonna click create. And right here, I'm just gonna leave default settings. Click continue. Continue one more time. And right here, I'm gonna increase this size to 100 gigs. And click create. Virtual machine is created now. And now I'm gonna click on start. And right here, that's where you will have to choose the file that we just downloaded, Windows 10 file from Microsoft website. Downloads, Windows 10 ISO, and click open, and then click start. And that's it. Now we can install Windows 10. I'm gonna go through this process really quick. Right here, I'm gonna click I don't have product key. I'll purchase one later. And I'll be installing Windows 10 Pro because that's the one I'll be purchasing. And click next. Accept terms and conditions, next. I'm gonna click custom here. Select this hard drive and then click next. And it's gonna start installing Windows 10. Keyboard layout, I'm gonna leave it US. I'm gonna skip this part. Right here, I'm gonna click Set up an organization. I'm gonna click Next. Okay, right here we'll have to name our profile. I'm just gonna type user. Password, we can skip this for now. Okay, right here I'm just gonna click no. Okay, right here on this page, you can leave it as is, but I usually turn all of the features off. I don't like to leave them on. If I'll need them, I'll turn them back on later. Okay, once installation is done, don't forget to activate your Windows 10. And when you're done using, you can just right click on it and then shut down your system. And when you need to start your Windows 10 back up, just double click on VirtualBox and then click on Start. And if you have on your Mac less than 8 gigs of RAM, for example, if you have only 4, I would not really recommend installing VirtualBox on top of your Mac OS X. You probably will need to do boot camp. But if you have at least 8 gigs of RAM, you can just install VirtualBox and run Windows 10 on top of your Mac OS X. Once again, thanks for watching.